If you run a trash can cleaning service, watch this video to learn how to overcome barriers that stop your business from going to the next level. Then miss out on attracting eco-conscious customers because they don't promote greener solutions. But what if you could offer a simple, effective system that gives your clients what they really want? An easy way to make their bins stay clean, recycle better, and keep waste out of landfills. With BagEZ, you do all that, and without any chemicals or wasting water, while helping your clients stay green and responsible. By offering BagEZ, you help recycling programs and boost your reputation with customers who care about sustainability. Add it as a part of your service plan, or sell it as a standalone tool and ship it nationwide to customers who are out of your service area. It's money without the work, and the easy way to boost customer satisfaction and increase your business's income all year round. For more info, visit bagez.com or call us. We're always available to answer questions to help you grow.